Some realtors do much more than sell homes. They build entire empires from simple beginnings. What sets apart the agents who reach billionaire levels from the ones who stay average? The answer is deeper than you might think. Every legendary realtor shares one thing in common. They think far beyond today's sale. They think like investors, business owners, and visionaries. A top agent does not just see a property. They see potential growth in long-term value. Take Barbara Corcoran, for example. She started with a small loan from a partner and turned it into one of the most recognized real estate brands in the world. Her success did not come from luck. It came from discipline, confidence, and the ability to spot opportunities before anyone else noticed them. Many others followed similar paths. Some built global real estate networks by studying human behavior. They learned what people truly want in a home, not just what the market lists on paper. They understood families, dreams, and motivations. That allowed them to build brands that people trust and return to. What separates a billionaire-level realtor from a regular one is simple. They focus on consistency, relationships, and reputation. They show up every day, even when the market slows down. They treat every client like a long-term partner. They build trust with every conversation. When trust compounds over time, it becomes more valuable than any property they could ever sell. Anyone who dreams of generational wealth can learn from these leaders. Study how they negotiate. Notice how calm they remain during stressful moments. Watch how they communicate with confidence and clarity. Great agents never stop learning and never stop improving. As your experience grows, your network grows. When your network grows, your opportunities multiply. That is how ordinary agents turn into industry leaders, one smart decision at a time. The journey does not start with massive investments. It starts with the right mindset. Every billionaire realtor began as someone who sold their first home with nerves and excitement. The difference is that they never stopped moving forward. They never allowed fear to hold them back. Success built slowly, then accelerated once their reputation became their strongest asset. Every empire begins with one deal handled the right way. I am Anita Mora, and I help buyers and sellers reach the results they deserve with strategy, clarity, and integrity. If you want to start thinking like the world's top agents, follow along and let's grow together.